Hi everyone, Chris Kalinich here, and welcome to my kitchen, also known as the Plant to Platter kitchen. And I'm standing next to my fridge for a particular reason. Inside my fridge is stored some items that I am going to be taste testing and giving a review on. Splendid Spoon, which is a meal delivery service, asked me if I would give an honest review, and I said I would, and in exchange they sent me for free, just so you know it was for free, a selection of some of their customer favorites. Now, in this short little video, I'm going to be trying one of their smoothies, but I'm going to be giving a complete review of what I thought of the entire service and all the items in regards to taste and economical value, etc. on my website, planttoplatter.com. So you can go there under the resources tab and click there and find the Splendid Spoon review. Now I've done some other reviews before, and you'll find some things there as well. You can check that out. But I really like to be honest and open with people about what I think about the taste, because I think that's really important when it comes to plant-based cooking. You want to like it, you want to enjoy it. So I'm going to reach into my fridge, and you'll see here I have still a couple more smoothies to try and some of the other items, and I'll be providing another video on one of their meals. So stay tuned for that. You want to watch that as well. But I'm going to give it a shake. What I liked about when I got all the items is that they really have, you can store them for quite a long time in your fridge, or you can put them in your freezer. And this particular smoothie is the chocolate cherry smoothie. And I received it November 10th, but I can actually store it in my fridge until December 17th. So I think that's pretty valuable to have that kind of long shelf life in your fridge. So I'm going to taste it. It's very enjoyable. It's very smooth. The chocolate, the little bitterness there, nicely sweet, not overly so, but mixed with the sour of that cherry makes it very, very holiday-ish. Actually, Thanksgiving's tomorrow, so this is a perfect beverage for me to be drinking right now. Anyway, I do want to let you know that Splendid Spoon, all their items are plant-based and gluten-free. So that's very nice to know when you are shopping for a plant-based service, that they also use low sodium, low sugar, and a lot of their products you can easily, when you're going through looking at things that you might want to order, the nutritional facts, the label for each item is so easy to obtain for each product, and they use a lot of wonderful, tasty ingredients. So I encourage you to go ahead and maybe check out Splendid Spoon, and I will also be providing a link for you to find them easily. But most importantly, click on planttoplatter.com, my resources tab, and go find the actual full review so that you can understand what I think about Splendid Spoon, see if I recommend their service, and feel free to reach out and ask me questions at any time. Have a great day, and hope it's full of plant-based joy.